2,300 years ago, on the island of Sicily, in a bustling Greek city called Syracuse, a child was born who would one day change the world's understanding of science, mathematics, and engineering. His name was Archimedes. Welcome back, everyone. Archimedes was born around 287 BCE into a well-educated Greek family. His father, Phidias, was an astronomer who often took his little boy outside at night to show him the stars. From those moments, Archimedes' curiosity awakened. He loved to play with levers, pulleys, mirrors, and weights, always asking, "Why does this move? How does this balance?" Even as a boy, he was obsessed with understanding how the world worked. As he grew, Archimedes was sent to the Library of Alexandria in Egypt, the greatest center of learning in the ancient world. Here, surrounded by scrolls and scholars, he studied geometry, astronomy, and physics under the disciples of Euclid. He met other brilliant minds like Conon of Samos and Eratosthenes, who would later measure the Earth's circumference. In Alexandria, Archimedes realized something profound, that mathematics was not just theory, but the language of the universe. After his studies, Archimedes returned to Syracuse, where King Hiero II soon heard of his intelligence. The king became his friend and asked for his help in solving difficult problems. One day, the king gave a beautiful golden crown to Archimedes and said, "I suspect my goldsmith has cheated me. Can you find out if the crown is pure gold without destroying it?" Archimedes accepted the challenge, but it puzzled him for days. Tired and frustrated, Archimedes went to take a bath. As he stepped into the tub, he noticed something curious. The water level rose as his body sank in. Suddenly, it struck him. The amount of water displaced depends on the volume of the object submerged. If he placed the crown and an equal weight of pure gold in water, the one displacing more water would have less density, meaning it wasn't pure gold. Overwhelmed with excitement, Archimedes jumped out of his bath and ran through the streets of Syracuse shouting, "Eureka!" which means, "I have found it." This was one of the greatest scientific discoveries in history. Buoyancy, the law that explains why ships float and why objects sink or rise in water. And that's how Archimedes made one of the most important discoveries in science, the principle of buoyancy. The simple question of whether a crown was pure gold led him to a law that changed the world of physics forever. His famous shout, "Eureka!" meaning "I have found it," still echoes through history as a symbol of human curiosity and brilliance. But this was just the beginning. Archimedes' genius went far beyond this discovery. In the next part, we'll explore how he used his inventions and mathematical brilliance to defend his city and change the course of science forever. Stay tuned for part 2 of Archimedes, the genius who changed the world. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share to know more about the unknown.